Welcome to Cuisinia Cooking, the channel for easy cooking tutorials. Please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of our new cuisines. Today, we'll be making authentic Chowking Chao Fan. And without further ado, let's start. These are the ingredients that we'll be needing. 200 grams of green peas, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of minced chicken, 1 can of sweet corn, 1 whole cubed carrot, 1 whole minced onion, 3 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And of course, our cooked rice. First, we oil the pan. Half a cup is enough. We add the eggs. We scramble them. And cook them for 3 to 5 minutes on low to medium heat. Now, we set aside the eggs for later. Now, we add the minced chicken and the excess oil from the eggs. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Then we add the minced garlic, stirring it constantly to avoid burning. And add the minced onion and stir it all together. We add our 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and mix it all together. Time to add the cubed carrot, then the sweet corn followed by the green peas, and mix it well. Next, we add the cooked rice, let's make sure to mix the rice well and perfectly coat it. And finally, let's add the salt, the black pepper, and the scrambled eggs. Let's mix it all well. And we're done. Now you may pour it. Make sure it's presentable, because remember, looking is half the eating. Hope you'll enjoy our Chowking Chao Fan. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified of my new uploads. My channel is new and would benefit greatly from your support. Thank you!